Let me write a program to sort the given array of elements using bubble sort. Take the main method. Take the array of elements. Nine, 7, 5, 2, 1. Iterate it with for each loop to print the given elements before sorting. And print the given elements. So Control Shift format, Control save. The elements has been printed as it is in the given list. Now sort the elements using bubble sort. For that we will take one static method. Take the for loop and take another inner for loop. Int j equal to 1 x dot n minus I. Since we have to swap the given elements, we will write the logic as if x of j minus 1 is greater than x of j if x of I is greater than x of j. Let's swap the given elements. Swap the elements. X of j minus 1. Let's first store the x of I value in the temp variable. Temp equal to initialize it with some number like 0. Control Shift format. X of j minus 1 equal to x of j equal to 10. The given elements are swapped now. Control Shift format, Control. So now print the elements that have been sorted. Out of I Control Shift format. Elements before sorting. tab. For the spaces between each element, we will use this tab. Control Shift format and Control C. Right click on the program, run as Java application. Here you go. The given elements before sorting and the elements after sorting. Now let me explain about the bubble sort clearly, then you will get a clear idea about that. We have taken an array of elements. The first element is considered as I and the second element is considered as j. If I is greater than j, swap the elements. Otherwise keep it and compare the next two. If the first element is greater than second element, then swap the elements. 5 come 2 and 5, then swap the elements. Here in this scenario, the first element is lesser than the second element, so no need of swapping the elements. Like that. Iterate it with for each loop to print the elements before sorting. Now take one static method, bubble sort, that will implement this private static void bubble sort. Take the for loop, iterate it with the loop, and take the inner for loop. If x of I can be written as x of j minus 1. So for that, write the condition x of j minus 1 greater than x of j. Then swap the elements. To before swapping the elements, keep the x of I in the temp variable so that we can swap the elements. X of j minus 1 equal to x of j. X of j equal to temp. So that this is the complete scenario of bubble sort. Sorting the elements. Thank you.